Hi, as I promised, I will share with you every single step of the production of these adorable cube toys. We already covered the layer height, temperature, and today I want to share with you how I eliminate the stringing effect. And on the other hand, I want to share with you what issues appeared after the first test. That's why you need to stay tuned, because this is your daily dose of engineering and business. Before we go into the details, I want to explain what is stringing. Stringing or hairy prints occurs when small strings of plastic are left behind on a 3D printed model. I eliminate the stringing effect after I enable in print settings the retraction. The retraction speed is the speed at which the filament is retracted or pulled back. It took me quite a lot of time when I finally defined the right retraction speed. Honestly, I had to watch a couple of tutorials before I have managed to eliminate the stringing entirely. Finally, the testing stage was on schedule. But I will share all information from testing stage in the next video. I wish you happy Friday and an excellent weekend, and see you in Monday. Bye! Finally, the testing stage was Finally, the testing stage was on schedule.